Steamed ginger, the longevity secret of a 97-year-old woman. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. If you have ginger in your kitchen, don't forget it. I learned this secret from my grandmother, who is always healthy and full of energy despite her old age. And the great thing is, in just a few minutes, even a novice in the kitchen can become a health expert. Ginger is not only a familiar spice, but also a natural treasure that our ancestors have trusted for hundreds of years. Folklore says, ! Eat radish in winter, eat ginger in summer. No need for a doctor's prescription. If you have ginger at home, you don't have to worry about minor illnesses. 3 slices of ginger in the morning are better than eating ginseng soup. Those proverbs say it all. Ginger is a precious medicine in human life. And today, I will share a special way that my grandmother often does in the summer. Steaming ginger. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, separate the ginger branches for easy cleaning. Prepare a small basin. Put the ginger in. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and a moderate amount of baking soda. Then pour in enough water to cover the ginger. Stir well until the salt and baking soda dissolve completely. Everyone knows that ginger grows underground, so it is very dirty when first dug up. Just rinsing it with water is not enough to clean it. Salt has a disinfecting effect, while baking soda helps soften the dirt, making it easier to scrub the ginger, especially in the small crevices between the ginger branches. Combining these 2 things helps to thoroughly clean the ginger. You will see the clear water quickly turn cloudy and a lot of dirt appears. After everything is dissolved, soak the ginger for about 10 minutes. When the time is up, use a clean brush to scrub thoroughly. Many people wonder, why scrub the ginger without peeling it? But few people know that the ginger skin contains many valuable values. This is a natural medicine that helps cool the body and contains many nutrients. There is a saying, leave the skin on and it will be cool, peel it and it will be hot. The skin and the core of the ginger are like yin and yang, balanced with each other. So, no need to peel it, just wash it thoroughly. Then, cut off any bruised, or rotten parts. If there are any dirty spots between the ginger, use a small knife to scrape them gently. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, change the water to wash away all the salt, baking soda, and remaining dirt. Rinse, drain, and spread the ginger on a plate. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. This step helps the ginger drain before steaming, preventing mold and limiting bacterial growth. Now prepare the steamer. Add water, cover, and bring to a boil over high heat. When the water boils, place the steamer on top. Arrange the ginger pieces neatly without overlapping them so that the heat spreads evenly. Reduce the heat to medium-low and steam for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the ginger. Wondering why you need to steam ginger? Here's the hidden health secret. Ginger has a strong, spicy taste that many people are afraid of. But when steamed at high temperatures, some of the spicy compounds will evaporate with the steam, making the ginger taste milder. Even those who don't like ginger can easily use it. What's special is that steaming doesn't destroy the nutrients of ginger, but also helps activate valuable active ingredients like gingerol and shogaol, doubling the health benefits. When ginger is steamed, the aroma spreads throughout the kitchen, warm, pleasant, and extremely relaxing. When the time is up, open the lid, the hot steam will rise, carrying a mild ginger scent, making the spicy taste disappear immediately. Use tongs to pick up the ginger. At this time, the ginger skin will look shiny and soft to the touch. Let it cool a bit, then cut the ginger into thin slices. Ginger contains many essential oils, gingerol, amino acids, and other nutrients. Essential oils help stimulate blood circulation and warm the body quickly. When the weather changes, just a few slices of steamed ginger can dispel the cold immediately. Gingerol has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helps strengthen the immune system, aids digestion, and reduces stomach discomfort. Amino acids help restore and nourish a healthy body. Next, spread the ginger slices evenly on the tray. Do not overlap or stick together. Each slice should be dried directly under the sunlight. Choose a sunny and airy place to dry the ginger. Natural sunlight will infuse the ginger with excellent preservation energy. As the ginger dries, moisture will escape, preventing bacteria and mold and prolonging the storage time. At the same time, compounds such as gingerol are condensed, making the ginger flavor richer and more fragrant. While drying, pay attention to the condition of the ginger. If there is no sunlight, you can use a food dryer. When you see the edges of the ginger slices dry, the outside is slightly hard, but the inside is still flexible and no longer sticky. It means it has reached the perfect dryness, preserving all the nutrients and making it easy to preserve. Avoid over-drying because the ginger will become brittle and lose its delicious taste. Then, prepare a clean glass jar, free of water or oil. This is an extremely important step. Wash the jars, rinse with boiling water to sterilize, then dry thoroughly. Place the dried ginger in the jars, press firmly to remove air inside. I filled 2 jars with ginger slices. Then, add a few rock sugar cubes to each jar and add the soul of this dish, vinegar. I used 2 types of vinegar, balsamic vinegar and rice vinegar, in 2 different jars. Each type brings a very unique flavor. Balsamic vinegar is made from grape juice and aged for many years. When ginger is soaked in this vinegar, it absorbs a rich aroma, a mild sour taste, and a sweet aftertaste. The more you eat it, the more you like it. Rice vinegar is brewed from grains, has a shorter fermentation time, a light taste, a light sour taste, and a faint scent of rice, giving a fresh, pleasant feeling. If you like a strong, deep taste, choose balsamic vinegar. If you like a light, refreshing taste, choose rice vinegar. It all depends on your taste. When the rock sugar dissolves, it helps balance the sour taste of the vinegar and makes the ginger flavor richer and easier to eat. The combination of sour and sweet creates an irresistible dish. When making pickled ginger, absolutely avoid contact with water or raw oil because that will make the ginger moldy and spoil easily. Just follow this method. Make sure the ginger is completely dry and clean. You can store it at room temperature without refrigeration. Wait about 10 days. The ginger will absorb the flavor of vinegar and sugar. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Every day, just eat 2 slices of pickled ginger with your meal. Pickled ginger has many benefits. Eating 2 slices in the morning helps stimulate the taste buds. If you have a poor appetite, just a few slices of pickled ginger will make your appetite return. Always have a jar of pickled ginger at home. You can use it anytime to balance your body. And don't rush to throw away the pickled water. You can dilute it with water or drink it straight. It tastes like natural cola. Cool, pleasant, and refreshing. If you have ginger at home, try this recipe right away. That's the end of the video. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.